The St. David's Foundation is committed to creating the healthiest community in the world here in Central Texas, and Volunteer Health Care Clinic is a key partner in achieving that mission. We understand that access to health care is critical in creating community health, and so Volunteer has been a partner of ours for over 10 years now to create that. You know, in Central Texas and in Travis County and here in Austin, there's still, unfortunately, such a need for access to care, for basic primary care health care services. So many people who live in this city are living in poverty, working poor, who need insurance and need coverage and services. And so Volunteer Health Care Clinic provides that crucial service, the ability to see a doctor, to get preventative medicine, and the opportunity to improve their health and take care of their health and their family's health.
I have been working for the Volunteer Health Care Clinic for the past 3 years, and the reason that I love working here is because of the patients and because of the impact that we make on their lives.
Hi, I'm Laura Hurst, and I'm the Director of Volunteers here at the Volunteer Health Care Clinic, and I just really enjoy coming here. The patients are wonderful, the volunteers are amazing, and it's just a real pleasure to get to work with the staff and the volunteers and the patients that I get to work with every day.
Pretty much anybody it takes to run a clinic, we have a volunteer donating their time to do so, which allows us to operate in a very cost-effective manner. We are really fortunate. We tend to have long-term tenured volunteers. Some of our members have been with us over 20 years.
I've been here since 1996, so about 20 years now, I guess, and it's a great experience. These are people who need a lot of help, and they get a lot of help here. It's a really well-organized clinic on a limited budget. We do an awful lot here.
It's a great, dedicated staff, a great environment. The patients are wonderful, and it's just a very fulfilling thing to do.
Hi, I'm Davika, and I'm one of the nurses here at the Volunteer Healthcare Clinic. I've been volunteering here for about 4 years, and I really enjoy giving back to the community.
Well, I think it's important to give back to the community and to the people who are less fortunate. I think it's an honor and a privilege to be able to work with fellow volunteers who are dedicated to seeing that quality medical care is delivered to those people who have difficulty with life and difficulty accessing medical care in the Austin-Travis County area.
And well, the way I work with them, I serve as an interpreter, because here in Texas there's a lot of Spanish-speaking people. They have been living here for years, decades. However, they are very close to their communities, and a lot of them don't speak English. So I work as a volunteer, as an interpreter. It's been a healing experience for me. I love it, and I wish more people could volunteer.
I came to volunteer clinic because I'm diabetic, and I needed some help. They have been a lifesaver for me because they provided me with all the medicines and the tests, the lab tests, everything else that I needed. And it's been wonderful being in the clinic, the staff, the volunteers, everybody have been wonderful. And I think I've recommended volunteer clinic to some of my friends. And I think they do a wonderful job in the community.
I've been coming to the Volunteer Healthcare Center for about 3 years, and thank God for this place. Lake Travis Crisis Center sent me here, a godsend. I'm so grateful. If you guys close this place down, there are so many of us who are going to be without health care. I'm so grateful for all of you.